Good morning. Once again, this is your AI acronym individual giving you a verse a day, your humble servant. This is all about pride. The Psalm chapter 10 is all about pride. But before I read that to you, I want to give you the meaning of the pride, every word. But before I give that or explain that, I would like to read this one about pride. It is tough to listen to people who declare there is no God, and even if there was, who cares? I don't need him. I'm in control of my own life. This type of person is filled with arrogance and is person separated from God. The psalmist was tired of listening to such people. He wanted God to show the arrogant how wrong they were. We feel the same thing when we hear people being prideful or see them acting as though God will just ignore evil behavior. We often pray as the psalmists did in Psalm chapter 10. Arise, O Lord, but look at the end of the psalm. What did the psalmist finally say? God is king. God hears our prayer and God is in control. He will act when he's ready to act. Our only concern is that we submit our lives to him, that we let him cleanse us of any pride that keeps us from him. Leave the wicked and arrogant to God. Focus on yourself. Actually, hindi tayo pwedeng magmalaki kay Lord. Okay? So tayo ay kanyang nilikha. So everything in this world ay pag-aari niya. Tayo ay steward lang. So wala tayong dapat ipagmalaki. So bakit ang pride na yan ay it's a negative traits? Kasi pag meron kang pride, you are proud of yourself. Akala mo ikaw na ang pinakamagaling. To God be the glory, lahat ng iyong kakayahan ay galing kay Lord. Lahat ng iyong talent ay galing kay Lord. Lahat ng kung anong meron ka ay galing kay Lord. Sa isang idlap, pwede niyang kunin yan. Doon mo pa lang ba marirealize na hindi ikaw, kung hindi ang Panginoon ang may gawa ng lahat? Siya ang dapat itaas at hindi ang sarili mo. You are very rude. Napakasama ng ugali mo kapag ikaw ay mataas. Sabi nga, kung ano ang taas mo ay siyang sakit ng iyong lagapak. You are inconsistent kasi nga, palagay mo sa sarili mo, ikaw lang ang tama. And then you are also demanding kasi nga, feeling mo ang galing-galing mo na. O kailangan ganito ang bayad nyo sa akin. Kailangan yan. And you are very egoistic. Ang tingin mo nga sa sarili mo, you are the most popular and everything. So, dapat alisin natin ang pride. Alisin po natin ang pride. Ipinipirito ang pride. To God be the glory. This is your AI acronym individual saying magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Love you all.